Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.
Now to the Igbo people. You run your mouth, Yoruba this, Yoruba that, Yoruba this, Yoruba that. Your brother did not kill one person. He's still in prison. Kanu did not shed the blood. He's still in prison. Kanu was on his own in Kenya. They went there to kidnap him. You and keep him in jail. And all of you, you are still trading. Do you know what your problems are? You are too selfish, too self-centered, too unloving towards your own brothers. You have the economic power of Nigeria. You don't have to fight. If you guys decide not to go to store, it's your store. Abi, if you decide not to open your store for 1 month, Nigeria will collapse. You are the ones keeping Nnamdi Kanu in jail. And shame on all Igbo people for allowing that man to be rotting in jail for doing nothing other than talking. But
Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.